In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add products from AliBaba to your Shopify store. To commence this process, you first need to install the AliBaba app on your Shopify store. For this, open up your Shopify admin dashboard and navigate your way to Settings, where you'll find the option for Apps and Channels. Once you're inside, look for an option that says Customize your store. Selecting this will take you right to the Shopify App Store. Now, from within the Shopify App Store, search for an app named Dropshipping by AliBaba Official. Go ahead and install this app. After successfully installing the app, the next step is to log into your AliBaba account. This will help in connecting your AliBaba account to your Shopify store. Once the connection is set, you need to find and import the products from AliBaba that you want to sell. The app interface should have a search bar to help you stay efficient in this process. The moment you come across a product you wish to sell, simply click on Add to Import List. Do this for every other product you wish to possess in your Shopify store. For confirming if the products have been added appropriately, go to your import list, where you'll find all the products you just selected. Once your import list is populated, it's time to customize your product details. Just click on Edit Your Product for every product listed in the import, followed by adjusting the product title, description, variants, and images to align with your organizational branding. Now comes an important aspect of this process, which is pricing. Make sure you consider your wholesale cost, any shipping fees that might apply, and finally, your desired profit margin while determining the price of your product. This way, your products will not only be optimally priced, but also profitable. Okay, now you're all set to bring these products into your Shopify store. Look for buttons that say Post to Store or Push to Store and press it. This will result in your products getting added to the Products section of your Shopify store. Now, it might take a few seconds for the products to sync with your store, but as soon as this happens, you should be able to see your new items ready for sale right in your store. Remember, adding products from AliBaba to Shopify is a combination of systematic planning, diligent execution, and a keen eye for customization and branding. Soon enough, it will grow to become an effortless part of your e-commerce management routine.